really nice set of new large advents in pretty good shape. The drivers are in really good shape. They've been foamed and looks nice, except this. Someone had dented this corner fairly bad. So I've been reading that applying steam and heat to wood will allow it to get in and fill those pores again and you know, bring the wood back out. I don't know if that'll work in this case. It looks pretty extreme, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I went ahead and I put some stripper on here because the water has to, steam or water has to be able to go right into the wood grain. So you have to strip any sealers over it. So I use a quick stripper, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then I'm gonna use a towel and an iron of water and just keep hitting this thing and see if it starts bringing it back out. Otherwise, I'll have to kind of cut out this whole piece, or at least a good chunk of it, and replace it, which I don't want to do because these it looks pretty, like it wouldn't be very easy to do that. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. You don't really know what could have caused this, but that's caved in really good. I went ahead and the stripper definitely took off a lot of looks like stain, and there's probably a sealer on top of there too. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that iron on here, get it fired up, and see if applying steam for a while starts to, you know, fill those pores again and unbuckle that. So I don't know, never tried it before. It'll be interesting to see if this works or not. Failed to mention that the only reason why I think this might work is because the wood hasn't, it's just been dented. It hasn't been cracked or nothing's been removed. It's just smushed. So I've got this, just a cloth I'm gonna put on top of there, and then use highest heat on the iron. Try to inject as much steam or water in it as possible and see if it makes any difference. Well, I'm impressed. I've done this for about 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour. But look at that, it's still dented, and I'm gonna do some more. But that looks amazing compared to how deep that was before. Obviously, it's gonna take a lot of work to get that looking correctly, but I think I can go ahead and sand this down. I'm gonna try and still like do another half hour's worth, see if I can get that even better. But even that, where it was really pointed in there, is almost out. And it's actually a little, it's been raised some, so I think I have some material to work with to bring down and try to make this corner look original. You know, if someone with knowledge of this looks real close, they'd be able to see it. But we'll see. Maybe that little bit might still come out. I don't know. It hasn't changed much in the last 5 minutes while I was doing it. But I'm gonna give it a little time, let it sit, and then do another round. If you look at it now, I've worked it a little bit more. It's the next day. Worked it a little bit more. Can still feel a little bit of a divot there, but that really deep area that was pushed in right around the miter, the corner is almost completely come out. It's just this area here, and it's actually getting better. What I'm doing now is I'm just taking some water and putting it on there, letting it absorb. Giving it just a little time for it to absorb in there. Let it get right into the wood. and then putting a rag on there and pressing the iron onto it at top heat. And it seems like it's still coming out little by little. But even if I was to stop now, it's so close to the surface that I believe I could probably sand this and make it look normal going through here. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep doing this for, I'll do this another maybe 10 times and see what, after I let it takes a little while because I let the water absorb into the wood so it gets as deep as possible. That's why I have this at an angle right now, so I can just let it pool up in that divot. And then once it's kind of, I can tell it's not glossy anymore and it's absorbed into the surface, then I put the steam on it, or not the steam, but the rag with the iron on there, and just hold it on there until it's dried up, until I can hear the steam is stopping. And and then just repeat the process over and over again. And we'll see. I'll try it, like I said, another 10 times. If it doesn't make that big of a difference, that might be all that this will come out at this point. And then obviously this is going to be a pain getting this. I'm going to have to sand this quite a bit and put some Danish oil on it. That's what I read that they used on these new large advents. Trying to get it as matching as possible. But anyway, it might end up being a better result. There's a lot of little dings on the sides of this anyway. A little bit of the veneer from that steaming process. I guess this is veneered and this is solid. A little veneer came up, so I have to glue that back down. Try and do whatever I can not to damage any of this part here, but still, these have to be fixed. There's issues. There's some more down here, and maybe the Danish oil will take care of that. I'll try to make this look as good as possible, but you can see, hopefully you can see at this point, that the water is already absorbing into that wood. Each time I do this, it seems like the water's absorbing into those pores faster. Try and get that water in as deep as possible into the wood, and then hit it with the heat so that water will, evaporate, turn to steam and expand, and hopefully make those pores larger and lift the surface higher. So we'll see how it goes. Here's the final result. I got to a point where the wood wasn't expanding anymore. I had done it probably at least another half an hour, and it just kind of stayed in the same position, but it's, I don't know, magnitudes better than when I first started. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to kind of sand this whole area to flatten that all out. And it looks like I'm probably gonna have to sand everything and refinish. So this will be a little more extra work. I'll go ahead and document as I go. It didn't take much work to get it to this point. I just used my file and combination of file and sandpaper, fine sandpaper. You notice a little bit of pitting there, but I don't think that's going to come out. That'll just have to be filled in with the finish. But anyway, it's way better than it originally started. So I'm going to go ahead and I think they said to use Danish oil on this, and go ahead and put that on and see what it kind of looks like. I still have to put a little sheen on there, but from what it was to what it is now, it's amazing. That steaming worked really well, and it's going to be really hard for anybody to tell that was damaged before. So definitely recommend the steaming process. So thanks for watching.